Welcome again to our BNC. So our topic for today is timely, no? Kasi lahat nag-i-engage na sa healthy active lifestyle. So let me share my slides. Ayan. Okay. So I hope you're doing good today. Lahat kayo, ano? Blessed morning. So marami pong mga active na tao ngayon that they are willing to find yung mga supplements, no, to enhance their performance and recovery. So itong gagawin natin is just a rundown of some of the most popular supplement na makakatulong sa kanila. Now again, this is not only for the athletes, but this is also for this topic is also for the people who want to lead an active lifestyle, those who want to maintain their lean muscle mass, and those who want to support muscle recovery. Pero bago yan, let me share a brief of my story. So my name is Alvin Velasco and I am 56 years old and magpi-57 na ako this year. So before Herbalife, I used to be a salesman sa Binondo, a Chinese-owned company. Now, when you are a salesman, grabe po yung pressure nito in terms of sales. You have a quota every month to hit. And so, it becomes stressful yung work mo. And most of the time, nasa labas ka. That's why I balloon into 187 pounds. At alam naman natin, pag overweight tayo or obese, marami pong discomfort yan. And not only discomfort, mga pains and everything. And so, with this problem, I try to seek something that I really love to do, yung makakasama ko yung pamilya ko. And then, luckily, fortunately, natagpuan namin po itong Herbalife with our sponsor, Robert Jimenez. And so nakita ko yung opportunity dito that you can have your own time. And so with the product, amazing product, I lost about 25 pounds and 7 inches of my waistline. Hindi na po mahirap yung negosyo kasi dati nga akong salesman. And so with those trainings, events after events, we finally get kung ano ba talaga ang Herbalife. And it's an amazing business and it's amazing company. And so right now, I can see myself in the future na ito yung company na hinahanap ko. And with my family, taking the products, being healthy, we can share a lot of people. That's why we really love Herbalife. Okay, going back sa ating topic, ano? So this is a rundown, no? Again, let me tell you, hindi lang po ito sa mga athletes, ha? Those who want to lead an active lifestyle, yung mga gustong i-maintain yung lean muscle mass, and those who wants to support muscle mass recovery, no? So, ito yung mga supplement na kailangan natin. So, during a prolonged endurance exercise, yung ano no, yung habang nag-exercise tayo, pagka matagal ito, yung store po ng ating sugar, especially yung reserve natin sa ating liver, which is glycogen, bumababa po ito. And this BCAA, branch chain amino acids, ito yung kailangan ng mga athletes and active people. This is the one who helps, no? Who helps na nandito sa ating skeletal muscles, natutulong siya in order to replenish those sugar, those energy needed habang nag-exercise ka, no? And of course, this is also the one who helps to drive the sugar from the bloodstream, no? Ito rin po yung habang